Hello students, now we are continuing the next examples of vectors. Exercise 5.1, question number 7, that is, find the distance of 4 minus 2, 6 from each of the following. A. The xy plane, B. the yz plane, C. the xz plane, D. the x-axis, E. the y-axis, F. the z-axis. In answer, the distance from point given, that is 4 minus 2, 6, from the following planes. Okay, then first the distance from point, note down, the distance from point, that is 4 minus 2, 6, 4 minus 2, 6. To in A, the xy plane. The xy plane is x plane, y plane and z plane. The xy plane, that is we denote z bar, that is remaining. Therefore, z bar is equal to its modulation of z bar. Z is 6, that is modulation denotes z bar is equal to x and y, and remaining is 6, that is 6 square and under root get cancel, and we get modulation of z bar is equal to 6. In B, the yz plane, the distance from point is same. Distance from point, that is minus 4 minus 2 and 6 to the plane is yz plane. Y and z, that is minus 2, 6, and x plane remaining, that is right here. Therefore, it is the modulation of x bar is equal to under root 4 square. Modulation of x bar is under root 4 square. These two get cancelled, and we get modulation of x bar is equal to 4. Then C point is same point and plane change, that is xz plane. In C, the distance from point that is 4 minus 2 and 6 to the plane is xz plane. X4 and Z6. Then remaining term is y. Therefore, it is modulation of y bar is equal to under root minus 2 square. Under root and square get cancelled, and we get its value is 2, that is equal to 2. It is also, we find the value minus 2 square is get the 4, and that is equal to 2. In D is the x-axis. Then next is D. D denotes the x-axis, the distance from in D, the distance from point that is 4 minus 2 6 to x-axis is x-axis remaining term y square and z square. X-axis is equal to in under root y square plus z square, that is equal to value of y square, that is minus 2 square plus z is 6 square, is equal to under root 4 plus 36. 4 plus 36 we get under root 40. It is equal to, we write also 4 into 10 is equal to 2 root 10. That is the distance of x-axis. Then E, the distance from point 4 minus 2 6 to the y-axis is, y-axis remains, the remaining terms 4 6, that is x and z, that is equal to under root x square plus z square, is equal to, we put the value of x is 4 square plus z is 6 square, that is 4 square plus 6 square is equal to under root 16 plus 36 is equal to under root 52. It is also, we write 4 into 13 is equal to 2 root 13. And last, the distance from the point z-axis. Distance from point 4 minus 2 6 to the z-axis is, it is also, we write x and y term, that is equal to under root x square plus y square, put the value of x is 4 and y is minus 2, that is equal to under root 4 square plus minus 2 square, we get 4 square is 16 plus minus 2 square is 4, is equal to 20. It is also, we write 4 into 5, and it is equal to, we write 2 root 5. The distance from the point to z-axis, that is 2 root 5. Okay. Then next question, that is find the coordinates of the point which is located. Find the coordinates of the point which is located A 3 units behind the, given here 3 units behind the yz plane, 4 units to the right of xz plane and 5 units above the xy plane. In answer, we will draw the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, x, y and z. Then it's x origin x dash, y origin y dash and z origin z dash. Given 3 units behind the yz plane. Here yz plane, yz plane. It's 3 units behind the YZ plane. 3 units, that denotes the -3. Then YZ plane denote -3 point. It's behind denote, it is here, x-axis minus. Suppose it is -3. That is 3 units. Then 4 units to the right of XZ plane. XZ plane, right side denote 4 units. Suppose here 4 unit. And 5 units above the XY plane. XY plane above. That is 5 units. Okay. Then we draw the diagram and we get such a V. We get this diagram. Such a way. Therefore, we denote x is equal to -3, then y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 5. Therefore, its coordinate, that is required coordinates, is -3, 4, 5. -3 denotes x-axis. In the YZ plane 1 unit, and the right of the XZ plane, and 6 unit above the XY plane. Therefore here x is not, that is x is equal to 0. Its x-axis coordinates 0. Then y is equal to 1. In y is equal to, suppose 1 unit, and 6 unit above the XY plane. Above the XY plane, that is here 6 units. Above the XY plane, and here it is 1 unit. That is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 6. Therefore the required coordinates is, that is 0, 1, 6. That is the required coordinates. Okay, we will stop here.